Hello students, today we will discuss physical property of metal. The first property of metal is hard and heavy tensile strength. So you will see iron, aluminium, they are hard and highly tensile strength, means they can be take a heavy load on. Clear? Second is solid at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. So we will see that all metal are solid at room temperature except mercury. So we can say mercury is also metal. Clear? Second, the sonorous. Sonorous means it can be creating a clear. So on being struck hard, the metal produce a ringing sound. Clear? So if you you want to know about that, this given metal is a material is a metal, so you can be if you beat them, so it create a ringing sound. So due to this property of sonorous, the school bell is made by the metal such as iron, gold, copper, aluminum and magnesium are many more. These are creating a sound, and this sound ringing sound, and this ringing sound is called sonorous. Clear? The next property, good conductor of heat, electricity. Clear? We have discussed already this. Next is malleability. Malleability means it can be beaten into a sheet. So if you have a metal like that and you are beating, and it can be converted into a thin sheet. So if any material can be converted into thin sheet without broken, so it means it is metal. Clear? So what is the property of metal? Metal is a property which can be beaten into thin sheet. So this property is called malleability. Clear? Next is ductility, ductile. So all metal are ductile except some of them. So it can be drawn into wire. So again we have a metal like that, so we can draw this metal into a thin wire. So this property of metal is called ductility. So what is ductility? Ductility is a property of metal which can be converted into a thin wire. And what is malleability? Malleability is a property of metal which can be converted into thin sheet. Now next is highly melting and boiling point except cesium and gallium. So we have two properties, melting and boiling point. So it is have a highly melting point and boiling point. Next, density except alkyl metal, they are dense, means they occupy a space, it is highly densed. Clear? Next is osmium, highly dense, and these are two. Osmium is a highly dense metal and lithium is the least densing material. Luster means, so metallic luster is a mineral that can be opaque and reflecting. So if have a look polished, so luster means it has a shiny surface, it can be reflect light back. So if metal, we have a metal, so a metal having a shiny surface and it can be reflect light back into the uh, back into the medium. Clear? So this is the property of luster of metal. Silver gray in a color except gold and copper. So it is, this is some property, this is a color of metal, it is silvery gray in color except gold and copper. Clear? So these are the physical property of metal. So next we'll discuss physical property of non-metal. Clear?